As makers and creators, it is so simple to get tied up in tech and power tools and such, and sometimes you get to a point in a project where a good old-fashioned sanding block might just be the answer. Take, for example, this table we're building for Hampstead Volunteer Fire Department in Hampstead, Maryland. The base has an actual X bracing to it, and therefore we have 45s intersecting into a post. And we don't want the round over to go straight down the entire post, or it's just gonna look weird. So you know what? Grab a sanding block, ease those edges, and you get the crisp joints that you're looking for. Tools and tech are great, but sometimes you just gotta go old school.